Hello students, how are you all? Come back to the mock paper discussion of CET. Last video we completed 15 questions. Today I planned for 40 questions. Let us see how many questions we can discuss. The 16th question, it is from integration and it is from definite integration. The question is as follows: 0 to pi by 4 sin x secant cube x into 1 minus tan x whole to the power 5 dx. Okay, since it is a definite integration, okay, be careful with after substitution. The solution is as follows. First, rearrange the question like this: sin x 1 secant, I'll use like this. Secant x is nothing but 1 by cos x. So this I will keep this as it is. Then 1 minus tan x to the power 5. Now tell me what should I do, or why I wrote 1 cos x, 1 secant x as a 1 by cos x. Can you guess? Yes, your guess is right. This will give you tan x, and you know that differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So I'll combine this with dx. Now maybe you got an idea how to continue from here, right? So what we should do, tell me? Yes, you're right. What we should do? Tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. Remember here, since it is definite integration, after this substitution the limit will change. When x is equal to 0, yeah, not an issue, it is 0 only, right? I'll not solve everything, remember that. 0, pi by 4 is tan pi by 4 is 1. So this will be t, tan x equal to t, 1 minus t to the power 5 dt. Okay, here you will come to know that expansion of this you can expand using binomial theorem also, right? Suppose if you find this expansion is difficult for you, I can give an alternate method. Just change like this. Then no need to expand this. This is possible because you know binomial theorem. If you don't want to expand, then you can take 1 minus tan x is equal to t. Suppose if you take 1 minus tan x is equal to t, when x is equal to 0, tan 0 is 0. So there is a small change in the limit, okay, 1. When x is equal to pi by 4, it is 0. Then how it will change? See, either the first one or even you can write like this also. If this is the substitution, what is tan x? Tell me. Tan x will be 1 minus t. Correct? So, okay, you will get like this. Here, no need to expand. Here two method agata. If you identify the, okay, if you get the first method, just expand using binomial theorem. And if you don't want to expand, you can write like this, and remaining work, you know, multiply and solve. So I'll just give the answer. The answer is 1 by 42. I hope you know how to integrate. Multiply madi direct integration. Substitute 1 to 0. You'll get 1 by 42. So from here onwards, it is your work. Please remember that. Please verify this. Artha first question. So important thing is this: identifying secant x, secant cube x is secant x into secant square x. Then writing like this. Once you identify this, it is done. Understood? Okay, next question. Yeah, this is from 1 functions. What is the question? F from R to R defined by f of x is equal to x square. Then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? You have to identify the true statement. Okay, so almost you can observe here when you, okay, after this 4 option you have to find out, you know, F inverse. So other two directly you can answer, but these two, for these two options you have to find out, you know, inverse. I hope you know how to find out inverse because you did this for the regular exams. Take F inverse of x is equal to y. This implies x is equal to f of y. X is equal to y square, right? F inverse of f of y is equal to y square. So therefore, what is y? Plus or minus square root of x. So because of this, you can write f inverse of x is equal to plus or minus square root of x. Idare verify ಮಾಡೋದು easy. So ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. First ಇದನ್ನ verify ಮಾಡಿ. Then if these two is not possible, then one of these two definitely satisfies. Okay, let me find out f inverse of 9. Plus or minus square root of 9 andre plus or minus 3. See, this implies you can write f inverse of 9 is equal to either, okay, 3, okay, minus 3. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? F inverse of 9 is given as only 3. So first statement is not true, andre false. First statement agodilla. Okay, next adidon verify mado. Suppose if you get answer here, then no need to verify other two. F inverse of minus 1 enagate according to this definition. F inverse of minus 1 is plus or minus square root of minus 1. Is it square root of minus 1 is a real number? No, this does not belongs to R. Why we should take real number? See, this domain and codomain both are real number. So this implies that there is no exist, or the inverse of minus 1 does not exist. Inverse of minus 1 does not exist. So empty set, either like this or like this. So the answer is option D. Remaining two, no need to verify. No need to verify. Don't worry. Just if you get one of the answer in the verification, you can consider the one. I hope you understood. So answer is F inverse of minus 1 does not exist. Got it? Next question. Yeah. Next question is again from integration. Again from integration. So read the question carefully. Integration of f of x g double dash of x minus f double dash of x into g of x dx. This is the integration. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. So first separate the two terms. Okay, can you tell me how to integrate this? Any idea? What we have here? We have product of two function. Product of two function integration ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Integration by parts. Yes, I hope you remember integration by parts. Yes, very good. See, you have to select a function which you can integrate easily as a second function, and you have to select the first function which you can integrate, okay, which you can differentiate easily. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Since you don't know what is f of x and g of x, this is easy to integrate, because when you integrate g double dash of x, it will be g dash of x. So you can write the integration. So this is the first function. So this is second function. This is the first function. Got it? Very good. Now g double dash of x is the second function. So apply integration by parts. Then f of x integration of g double dash of x, g dash of x. Then integration by parts. Differentiation of f of x into integration of g of x. Idu integration of first term. Integration of first term. Now I'll integrate the next one. See, it is as follows. Again, same similar practice. This is the first function. This is the second function. Okay. I'll write along with this expression. This is minus sign. Okay, better write here. Okay, in baratte heli g of x into integration of f double dash of x, f dash of x minus integration of differentiation of g of x, g dash of x into f dash of x. Idರಲ್ಲಿ one term cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಿ? Okay, let me put one bracket here because outside we have minus sign. ಯಾವುದು cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Minus f dash g dash minus minus plus f dash g dash, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು cancel ಆಯಿತು. Right now, so what is remaining? F of x g dash of x minus g of x f dash of x. ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Which is the right answer? F of x into g dash of x minus f dash of x into g of x. So what is the right answer? Option C. Got it what I am telling? The right answer is option C. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good. Next question. Okay, the next question is from the complex number. It is 1 plus I into root 3 plus I whole cube divided by 1 minus I root 3 whole cube. So what is required? Amplitude of the complex number. Amplitude andre angle theta which is related to this complex number. Now see, as I told, shortcut method andre any problem alle writing skipping some step which is actually not necessary. Okay, here I'll write some steps. Observe carefully. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿದ್ರೆ we can discuss. Okay, see, 1 plus I amplitude ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? First divided by its magnitude. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Cos theta is 1 by root 2, sin theta is 1 by root 2. Then what is the angle? 45 degree. Correct? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Addition. Root 3 by 2. Next ಅದೇ ತರ. What is the modulus of root 3 plus I? 2. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Cos theta is root 3 by 2, sin theta is 1 by 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 30 degree into 3. 30 degree into 3. ಯಾಕೆ 3 ಬಂತು? ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಡಿ ಮೋಮಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n is also equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ. using this formula I am okay multiplying this n, angle is multiplied, ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ angle multiplication ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. because of division it become minus, because of this division become minus, divided by modulus ಏನು 2, 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. cos theta is 1 by 2, sin theta is minus root 3 by 2. ಯಾವ quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ cos positive ಮತ್ತೆ sin negative ಇರುತ್ತೆ? exactly fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ okay, cos theta is half, sin theta is minus root 3 by 2. what is the angle is minus 60 degree ಅಲ್ವಾ? cos 60 degree, cos of minus 6 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? half, minus ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. sin of minus 60 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus will come out, so it's minus 60 degree. Since again power is 3, because of this theorem it will be multiplied. okay, so this will be equal to 45 degree plus 90 degree minus plus 180 degree. correct ಅಂದ್ರೆ 270 plus 45 315 degree. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ 315 degree. but ಇಲ್ಲಿ 315 degree ಇಲ್ಲ, 7 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4 is not there. then which angle which we can consider? See, 315 degree is also equal to one angle which is present in the option. 360 degree is also equal to, 315 degree is also equal to one angle present in the 4 option. Can you tell me which one? Exactly, it is minus 45 degree. 315 ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 360 minus 45 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 315 degree. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? so this is equivalent to, which is the right answer, minus 45 degree. so right answer is option A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? next question. this is from which chapter? can you tell me? yes, 3D geometry. okay, we have to find out angle between two planes. which are the two planes equation? 3x minus 4y plus 5z equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 2z is equal to 5. so we have to find out angle between two planes. ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? what is the formula? cos theta is equal to vector n1 dot vector n2 divided by magnitude of vector n1 into magnitude of vector n2. n1 n2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ? remember? yes, what is n1? n1 is a normal vector. ಇದರಿಂದ normal vector ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? yes, right, remember, I hope you remember all this. 3i minus 4j plus 5k coefficients in that you can write the normal vector. okay, what is n2? n2 is 2i minus j minus 2k. so when you know this n1 and n2, okay, this is very easy to use. okay, I hope you can find out the value of theta which is asked in this question. you can write directly, substitution ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. take the dot product, ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 6 plus 4 minus 10. dot product ಏನು? what is 6 plus 4 minus 10? 0. ಈಗ cos theta 0 ಆದ್ರೆ what is the value? so what is the answer? cos theta equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ theta is equal to pi by 2. so there is a one print mistake here, you make the first option as a pi by 2. so right answer is pi by 2. ಎರಡು pi by 3 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, it is pi by 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? cos theta equal to 0 ಆದ್ರೆ theta should be 90 degree. so answer is option A. understood? the approximate value of fourth root of 15. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ, I hope you know which is a method. see, you will come to know exactly why derivative is required, why error approximation you will learn. see, when this question is asked in CET, you don't have any other option other than the approximation formula. ನೆನಪಿದೆ, f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. remember this? now you maybe understand why this formula you learn in a regular class. to solve this problem we don't have any other option except this method. okay, so each and everything is no need, right? okay, that itself become a shortcut method. f of x fourth root of x, x should be 16, delta x is equal to minus 1, correct? So it is 4th root of 16 plus f dash of x 1 by 4 into x to the power 1 by 4 minus 1, delta x minus 1. So what is the 4th root of 16? 2 power 4 and the 2 alva 1 by 4 x under 16 to the power minus 3 by 2. This will be minus 1. You should be very quick in the calculation. 2 minus 1 by 4. What is 16 to the power minus 3 by 2? 16 to the power minus 3 by 2 is 2 power, you can write this as a 2 power 4 or 4 power 2. The 2 get cancelled, right? Understood what I am telling? See, 16 you can write as a 4 square, right? This should be 3 by 4, sorry, 3 by 4. So you can write this as a 2 power 4 whole to the power minus 3 by 4, right? So what will happen? 4 get cancelled. So you will get 2 minus 1 by 4, 2 power minus 3. What is 2 power minus 3? 1 by 8. So approximately 2 minus 1 by 32. So approximately 64 minus 1, 63 by, in answer 32. Answer is 63 by 32. So I hope you understood why we need error and approximation chapter. See, when this question asked in CET, you don't have any other option except this particular method. So what is the answer? 63 by 32, option C. Next question. What is the next question? The general solution, trigonometric question. The general solution of the equation tan 3x plus tan x is equal to 0. Nenpide general solution concept. Very good. So tan 3x plus tan x is equal to 0. We have to find out all possible values of x which satisfy this equation. Did you remember the method? Okay, fine. If you not remember, I'll explain. See this. Write this as a tan 3x plus tan x equal to 0 as tan 3x minus tan x. I hope you remember this formula. Tan x is equal to k. Then what is the general solution? 2n pi plus n pi plus alpha. So this implies 3x is equal to n pi. See, this you can write as a tan of minus x. So what is alpha? Minus x. Alpha will be minus x. So this implies yeah, x will come this side, become 4x is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi by 4. This is the general solution of the equation. So answer is n pi by 4, option B. I hope you understood. Okay, fine. Next question. Let f of theta is equal to sin theta into sin theta plus sin 3 theta. Then find f of theta. Then find f of theta means what? You are finding the range of this function. You have to find out the range of this function. One of the option will be definitely the range of this function. Then with the range find out. See, this is a trick you should follow. Take the first term as it is, sin theta only. Here also keep this term as it is. Write sin 3 theta as a 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Write sin 3 theta as a 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. See, you can simplify further like this. 3 plus 1, 4 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So 4 sin theta you can take it outside, then it becomes 4 sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta. Very good. 4 sin square theta 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta, right? Did you remember this? This is also equivalent to, tell me, yes, sin square 2 theta, correct? Sin square 2 theta. And you know this is always positive, right? This is always positive, greater than or equal to 0. For which values of theta? For every value of theta, for all values of theta, sin square cannot be negative. So it is always greater than or equal to 0. So yav option satisfy agata check madi. First option, greater than or equal to 0, only when theta is greater than 0, not like that. Even for negative angle, sin square will be positive. Less than or equal to 0, chance illa. Second option chance illa because they are telling it is negative. So negative is not positive because we have square. Third option, greater than or equal to 0 for all real theta. Third option is possible because the third option says that it is always positive for every value of theta. Understood? So which is the right answer? Option C. So this is the way you can find out the range of the function. F of theta is nothing but range. I hope you understood. The next question is from inverse trigonometric function. In the new regular class al nodirbodu, but NCERT textbook al illa. Okay, it is a CET question only. So observe carefully. What is the question? Find the value of sine of half cot inverse of 4 by 3. See, writing each and everything is compulsory, not allowed in entrance exam. Please remember that, because if you write each and everything, it will definitely take more than 1 minute, and approximately you will get 1 minute in exam. So try to avoid. I'll show you now how to avoid those writings, okay, step which is not necessary for entrance exam. When you see this question, definitely you can identify this pattern, sine theta by 2, correct? This is theta by 2, correct? Can you give me one formula for sine theta by 2 in terms of cos? Yes, very good. 1 minus cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta by 2. Now, cos theta illi. Where is the cos theta? We have cot. Cos illa illi. How you will bring cos from this? Cot definition ಏನು? Adjacent by opposite. 3, 4 ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು? 5, because 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. So cos theta definition ಏನು? Adjacent. So adjacent there here 4. Which should be the hypotenuse? 3, 4. 3 is in cot. Hypotenuse are not possible. Hypotenuse is possible only in sine and cos. So it should be 5 whole divided by 2. So when you simplify this, it is 1 by 10. That is 1 by root 10. See, ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆದ್ರೆ then this method is called a shortcut method. If you write in everything, it is not a shortcut method. That's it. Okay. So try to reduce your writing book. Automatically you will get shortcut method for all the problems. Got it? What I am telling? So answer is 1 by root 10. So which option is right? Option C is right. I hope you understood. So remember this formula. If you not understood, just search some formula book. You will get this. Sin theta by 2 is root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Or use trigonometry formulas. You will get it. Artha aitalo helodu? Very good. Next question. Yes. This is from which chapter? Tell me. Yeah. Linear programming problem, LPP problem. Idhil enu kasta illa actually. It's a very simple level 1 question I can say, okay? Very simple, only simple calculation, and you should know what I mean by LPP. The corner points of the feasible region of an LPP. 3 points are given, Z is given. Okay, first write down Z. Right? Then we have to find out Z maximum. Z maximum, you have to identify the point, the corner point where this expression is maximum. See, actually board exam question 6 marks you have to write it table, corner point table, you have to substitute all the points and you have to check which is the maximum. But it is of a common sense that you can decide directly which corner point definitely will give the maximum. Out of 3, tell me which is, actually point cannot be compared telling this is greater, this is low, okay? But use a common sense, tell me which point directly you can substitute and you will get the answer. Out of 3 points, which point we should consider? Compare to first and last. Which is better? Which may give the maximum? See, last is picture because 20 there, 80 there. See, maybe confusion is between these two. But in these two, which is better to consider? Yes, option second point is better to consider. See, 400 into 40 plus 300 into 160. Calculate this. 100% you will get 64,000. And that is the answer. Compared to this will give you the maximum value. See, 40 and 160, 20 and 120, 180. So this will give you the maximum value. So this is a answer, that is 64,000. Yeah, work you can ask whether this type of question you will get. This is a question which is asked in CET only. It's not my own problem. CET last year, previous year papers question. Understood? Okay, next question. Yeah, this is from probability. Very interesting question. Very interesting question. Read once, okay? Because the logical thinking problem. The probability of guessing correctly at least 8 out of 10 answer on a true-false type examination. See, you will get 10 questions and you have to write the answers. Answer will be either true or false. And the question is probability of guessing correctly at least 8 out of 10 answers on a true false examination. See, you can answer like this. Yeah, tell me first two possibilities. Tell me first two possibilities. At least 8 out of 10 answer. True false statement. Remember that. Understood what I am telling? At least on the word bandage, no, P of x is equal to 8. Minimum 8. P of x is equal to 9 as possible. P of x is equal to 10. And he can guess all the eight questions, okay, correctly, or maybe 9 questions correctly, or maybe all the 10 questions correctly, right? Minimum 8, at least 8 out of 10. So hig bardam gain answer which concept problem from probability? Yes, binomial distribution. So what is meant by P of x is equal to 8? Binomial distribution formula in formula NCR q power n minus r p power r. What is q and p here? Probability of success and probability of failure, right? Success is okay, getting right answer, okay, true false statement, no. So P of x is equal to 8. This is P of x is equal to n. This is P of x is equal to n. So you have to find out these three number now. Hey, find out madre. N is how much? 10. Alva. Total number of question. R, this number 8. Success, like getting right answer, true or false statement, right? So one answer again, true, either true or false. So what is the probability of getting right answer? Half. So q is also half, p is also half. 2, this is 8. So this is nothing but 10c2 into 2 power 10. So this is P of x is equal to 8. Now you can directly write all the values. See, because of this, the first one is 10c2 into 1 by 2 to the power 10. Next one is 10c9 into 1 by 2 to the power 10 only. You can check this. 10c10 into 1 by 2 to the power 10. This you have to simplify. See, in your regular exam you will underline this. It's okay. We are not expecting them more than this. But here, answer is not in that pattern. Answer is simplified. So you have to simplify this expression. You have to simplify this expression. The easy method is take this outside and find out 10c8, 10c9, 10c10. Simplify. Okay, and everything should be done in 1 minute. Please remember that. Identifying the method, writing all this, and simplification, everything should be done in 1 minute. So please practice for that. So I'm leaving the simplification part because you have to practice. Okay, so answer to question number 26 is B. 7 by 128 you will get. This is your work, okay, to get this answer, and please practice to solve this simple problem within 1 minute. Remember that this will be considered as a level 1 question only. Please remember that it's a level 1 question, so you have to solve within 1 minute. Okay, the next question. This is again from probability. Two events E and F are independent. Independent events are then E intersection F. If E and F are independent, then maybe you remember this because this concept is important. This simple concept is important to solve this problem. If you remember this, if you know this, then you can solve this very easily. Okay, now I'll show you how to solve this. Yeah, no need to write the given data again because you are answering this in a question paper only. Remember that. You will not get answer sheet to write this. So you are answering this in a question paper. So writing again the same thing is waste of time. So you need this, right? For this, definitely for the condition probability, you need intersection, right? And one more is missing. P of F is also missing. You have to identify this first. What are the things required and how to use it. So first you have to find out the missing. The missing part is P of E. So to find out P of E, use this information. It is P of E union F is equal to, then the formula P of E plus P of F minus P of E intersection F. This formula you studied in first PUC only in probability. Okay, P of E union F is given half or 0.5, whatever. P of E is 0.3, so 3 by 10. This is, you don't know, x minus, see, P of E intersection F is missing, but we know this because E and F are independent, right? So you can use this here. P of E, 1 by 2, right? P of F, we don't know, let it be x. Sorry, this is 3 by 10 into x. So from this you have to find out x first. See, you're solving CET question Okay, here you will not calculator to simplify this, so I wrote in the LCM form, P by Q form, because if I keep 0.3 then addition subtraction is required. So here LCM ತೆಗೆದು simple ಆಗಿ solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. See here, first you bring this here, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 10 equal, take x outside, 1 minus 3 by 10. So 10 is LCM, 5 minus 3 by 10, right? Here again 10 is LCM, 7 by 10. 10 cancel, so 5 minus 3, 2 by 7 will be equal to x. So you got value of x is equal to 2 by 7. Artha aitala isto? Ha. Remember all this you should do within 1.5 minutes or maybe maximum 2 minutes in, okay? Now, yeah, this is required. This is okay. The whatever I wrote in about is more than enough to get this expression. I'll write here. Observe carefully. What is P of E bar F? P of E intersection F by P of F. Okay, P of F bar E, P of F intersection E, that is nothing but E intersection F only, divided by P of E. Is it everything is available to use here? Yes. So P of E intersection F you can find out, okay, using this x value, because this is nothing but P of E into P of F by P of F. Or you can solve by cancelling like this also. This is also possible. See, so what happened? This cancel here, this cancel. P of E is known, P of F is known. Substitute and tell me the final answer. 3 by 10, right? Minus P of E, 2 by 7. Simplify, you will get the answer. And the answer to question number 27 is option C. That is 1 by 70. Check this. Yeah, 70 is LCM. Yeah, easy to complete. 70 LCM, no. So 10, 7, 21 minus, here's 3 into, so 7, 10, no, 20. 21 minus 20 is 1 by 70. Perfectly right. Artha aitalva? So find out the value of x, use a concept of independent condition, you will get the final answer. Understood? Yes. Next question. Again, this is from probability. Okay, a different question. Read the question carefully. A bag contains 5 red ball, 3 blue balls. 3 balls are taken. Remember, 3 balls are taken at random. 3 balls are taken at random. Important thing is without replacement. Without replacement and then once a ball select tegmele baginda vapas you hakala. Without replacement meaning. Then probability of that, exactly 2 out of 3 balls were red. One with under condition first ball being red. This is different. See, first ball select ball always red irbeko, and exactly 2 out of 3 balls are red. Okay, content is 5 red ball and 3 blue balls, okay, inside the bag. Tell me what are the different possibilities. See, first ball red irlebeku compulsory, and 2 red ball irlebeku 3 alli. Artha aita ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? Red, first ball is red, second ball is red, third ball is blue. Idu one possibility. Or ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು possibility ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? See, first ball should be red, no excuse. Second ball can be blue, and 2 balls should be red, so once again you will get red. So either this or this. Now we have to find out how many different possibilities are there. Okay, what is the probability of RRB and RBR? See, R ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು plus, so separate ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು final answer ನ. Tell me what is the probability of getting red. How many balls are there? 3 plus 5, 8 balls, right? Selecting the first ball which is red out of this bag is can be done in, tell me, 5 red ball, total number ball is to 8, so 5 by 8. And one more very important condition, without replacement. Without replacement meaning you know, no, so one ball select ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. So what is the remaining balls out of 8? One ball select, remaining is 7. So for the next selection only 7 balls. Okay, one ball selected, so how many next one? 4 by 7. Blue color ball, 3 blue color ball, but remaining how many balls? 6, because ಎರಡು ball ಇಲ್ಲಿ select ಮಾಡಿ replace ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. So you are not going, you are already you selected 2 balls, so you are not putting back to the box, so remaining is 6 plus ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲಿ next red again. Okay, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? This is a different story. Next red, 5 by 8, then 3 by 7, 4 by 6. So this is a probability of selecting the first ball which is red out of this box. Similarly, select the second ball which is red out of this box. Selecting blue ball out of this bag without replacement. Okay, without a replacement. Adhe tara or under addition. Okay, between these two, multiplication. So you have to calculate this, multiply, add with this, addition. Remember that. So logic artha aitalva, this part you can manage, this part, calculation part, definitely you can manage, nothing to worry, but this logic you understood, no, that is important. So answer to question number 28 is 5 by 14. You have to check, please check this, don't simply leave here itself, you have to calculate this, because in CET calculation this part is not easy. Okay, you need some practice, for that reason I am giving. Okay, so answer is 5 by 14. So right answer is option D. Artha aita? Very good. Next question. Can you tell me this question belongs which chapter? Mean deviation. Yes, it is in statistics. So one chapter studied in last year, first PUC, statistics, and this question is from that. Just to recall that one simple, very simple problem, just recall that simple concept, and the challenging work is simplification, calculation part without using calculator. That is the challenging part here. Did you remember the mean deviation from mean? Formula nenpideya? First, this is important. Mean deviation from mean is summation xi minus x bar, right, divided by n. N is number of element. Xi minus x bar divided by n. Okay, so you have to use this. Now how to get x bar? X bar is nothing but x1 plus x2 so on up to xn, okay, divided by number of elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So n is equal to 7. So add all this, that is the challenging part, adding all this, dividing by 7, then using in this formula. Okay, that is the challenging part, you need practice. So I gave the concept, so it is your work to calculate this. First find out x bar, then if you want you can write one small table like xi, then x minus xi, right, take the total. Table is not compulsory, but if you want you can write it, but try to reduce your writing part. Please remember that, try to reduce the writing part, and calculation part I am leaving. You have to calculate this because only calculation part is left. Calculate and get the answer. Question number 29, the answer is option C. You will get 19 by 7, not x bar, it's a mean deviation about mean. Okay, this is your work, you have to practice to calculate this, because concept is one, it's simple work, one nenpitkolli calculator illa, so for that reason I'm giving this work to you. Okay, yeah, next question. Can you tell me this question belongs which chapter? Since okay, there's a lot of shift from one chapter to another chapter, first you should identify this is belongs this chapter, then you will get the method to solve this problem. The system of equation has no solution, then A is equal to, yeah, this is belongs to matrices, then matrix method problem. Okay, so you have three equations, system of equations, and it is given that it has no solution. When a system has no solution, then what is the determinant method? Okay, first you are going to write the delta, which is a determinant of coefficients. It's alpha 1 alpha 1. I'm writing the coefficients. Then you are going to find out delta 1. How to get delta 1? Replacing the coefficients. It's a constant in the first position, remaining as it is. I hope you remember all this. I'm not writing each and everything. These two are required. Next delta 2, delta 3, right? When equation has no solution, see, suppose this is equal to 0. Suppose this is equal to 0 and this is not equal to 0. Then the system has no solution. Okay, because what is x actually form? How to get x? Delta 1 by delta. Denominator is 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ that number does not exist. That number does not exist means has no solution. Please remember this concept. Okay, suppose this is not equal to 0, then definitely it has unique solution. And if this is not equal to 0, then system has unique solution. So in no solution case, so this should be equal to 0. Now suppose this is also equal to 0, then what is the answer? Is it this equation has no solution? No, solution exists. How many? Infinitely many. I hope you remember that. If it both are equal to 0, then there are infinitely many solutions. So here even, okay, that case is not there. So strictly delta is equal to 0, delta 1 is not equal to 0. Okay, let me find out first this delta. expand ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ alpha into alpha square minus 1 into alpha minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus alpha. Okay, directly take equal to 0. So that is alpha cube minus alpha plus 1 minus alpha equal to 0. So alpha cube minus 3 alpha plus 2 is equal to, okay, so we have to solve one cubic equation now. Alpha cube minus 3 alpha plus 2 equal to 0. Then we have to solve the cubic equation. First you have to identify one value of alpha which satisfies this. Can you tell me a value of alpha which satisfies this cubic equation? Yes, right, alpha equal to 1. So 1 minus 3 plus 2 equal to 0. So one root is definitely alpha is equal to 1. Now using this you have to find out another value. But observe carefully, since we know the options clear ಇದೆ board ಅಲ್ಲಿ, right? So one is there in almost two options. Okay, two options ಅಲ್ಲಿ one ಇದೆ, right? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿರೋದು -2 is, okay, is 2 times. So maybe -2 is the answer, right? So instead of solving completely, use the option, check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ -2 ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. How to check? Substitute here, -2 whole cube minus 3 into -2 plus 2 equal to 0, -8 plus 6, yes, see, -2 is another root. So we come to know that there are two possibilities, alpha is equal to 1, alpha is equal to -2. Suppose, okay, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು 2, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, 8 minus 6 plus 2, is it equal to 0? Definitely no. 10 minus 4, this is not equal to 0, means 2 not possible. So either 1 or -2, or maybe both 1 or -1 and -2, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. And okay, fine, then it will be easy. Okay, now when alpha is equal to 1, suppose alpha is equal to 1, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? I told this should be not equal to 0, compulsory this should be not equal to 0. Suppose ಇದು 0 ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It has infinitely many solutions. Now if alpha is equal to 1, when alpha is equal to 1, what is delta 1? 0 0 0, first column 0 0 0, determinant ಅಲ್ಲಿ first column 0 ಇದ್ರೆ what is the value of determinant? 0. So delta 1 is 0. Is it allowed? Definitely not allowed. So alpha 1 is not possible. So what is our answer? Alpha should be -2, only -2. When alpha equal to 1, this determinant is equal to 0, it is not allowed for no solution. Artha aita? So compulsory alpha should be equal to -2. So we completed 15 question again. Okay, remaining question will be discussed in next video. Thank you.